Big up everybody we check in. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now talk or circulate social media saying Renato Adams is going to be a part of the opposition government. Should they win and become the new government, maybe I'm going to be a minister of security. Damian Crawford has confirmed this, and now the whole place seems surprised. More in here, of course, comment Mark Golden, PNP, if you want to see the opposition in power, or comment Andrew Holness, JLP, if you want to see the government remain as the government. Let me continue to go and look and listen.
Taking up the work to defend the Auditor General tonight. Now the Auditor General spoke the truth that 3.4 billion with a B, not with a M, was granted to the housing project for Andrew Holness program under his ministry. He said that he never spent the 3.4 billion. Then I want to know if you get 3.4 billion and don't spend it in your 9 years, if that is not incapable and incompetent. He then said that he needs 6,000 houses for the poor and the indigent. In 9 years, he built less than 300. It means it will take 200 years for him to build 6,000. I want to know a prime minister who have a plan for 200 years, if that is not incapable and incompetent.
Now give me an honest opinion. Based on what we see go on, we see law enforcement at odds with the state and methods to deal with crime. The state believes the SOE them are the best approach. Members of law enforcement don't believe that. They believe that there are other ways, other methods, things from maybe overseas. No? Tactics from first world countries, just like how they want to have a first world government. Members of law enforcement want to have a first world JDF, but the money not there. The camera them can't reach, the CCTV camera them can't put up on the light post them, and can't put up on the stoplight. Nothing can be done. People are saying, even the minister, they must say how much experience in security does the minister of security really have? Is he a trained member of the security forces? Has he ever been a member of the security forces? Even though we have seen a former member of the army become the police commissioner, and some people that say he wasn't the best police commissioner. But tell me what you think. Maybe even in a ministry role, do you think Mr. Renato Adams will make a difference? Overall now, we hear Damian Crawford speaking of statements made by the Auditor General, who criticized not only just the Prime Minister, but also the ministry that the Prime Minister is responsible for. You know, like how normally we hear people are say, boy, Prime Minister, do this with the road, and the road, them and them across the Prime Minister. Well, the Prime Minister is actually not the minister overseeing roadway, whether repairs, maintenance, or even construction. Just like how we the people them cuss about security and, you know, the ministry itself. The Prime Minister is not the actual minister for security. So it's the actual ministry where the Prime Minister is supposed to be overseeing. We'd expect at least that ministry will be doing extremely well and not good wrong. But the Auditor General said something else. And it's like the Prime Minister said, he don't know how the Auditor General arrived at that conclusion. Now we the opposition, Damian Crawford, defending the Auditor General. Once upon a time, we would normally hear these different entities speaking out about the PNP. I would hear the Labour Party agreeing with them. Surprisingly, from the Integrity Commission to the Auditor General, the people must have them surprised to see this attention now on the government, and them seemingly surprised at the fact that these things are being brought to public attention. We are also using a St. Elizabeth right now. Not St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland. Remember, I think the MP from Westmoreland, a controversy did go on, and the people did say him for no longer be the MP. Appeal on the media. What the government said was, they might keep him in a parliament because of the people him elected. And they will basically wait upon the people to decide if they want to keep him as the MP. Now we are here so that same MP is planning to rejoin the Labour Party and represent in the area. And it's one of the people in vex. It's one of the people that want different representation. What happens is that more and more places are now speaking out against the government. And we are telling about places where they support the government. People will vote for the party. Now there's some people who talk. Actually they vote in public. Right now to see it. All we can hear is people talking about the strengths of the opposition. We hear the government that say, we are the plans from the opposition and what them plan to do. You know me hear people that say? People that say the government are wait to hear what the opposition have to say so that they can implement these plans. And make it look like the idea was theirs. Because the fact that they are the government now, the opposition might tell us that them plan to do this and them plan to do that. But them plan to do it when them become the government. If the government right now can do it right now, then let us do it. Hoping so the people must say, alright, see there, the government is doing good things. Well, some people clearly see, or clearly think is that the government is out of ideas. The government does not know how to actually bring this better Jamaica to fruition. This better Jamaica the people might ask for. We don't know if we reach a point where the government might want to do it, but just don't have the capabilities to do so. And of course, I'm not going to tell the people, politics. Remember, the end of the day is politics. We have never seen a party decide. So, you know, we don't believe that we know what is best here and give governance to the other party. It has never happened. So even if them realize, say, boy, Nigel Clark gone, you know, and nobody else in the party has to know the economy like how Nigel Clark know the economy. So we can't deal with the economy certain way again. That not gonna be a reason for them decide so they might give governance to the opposition. So maybe even if they don't have no ideas, them not gonna tell the people, them say, yo, we don't know what to do. Them not gonna come out and say, yo, people, truth be told, we do not know what to do. They're not gonna do it. Not when the opposition is saying the opposite. The opposition is saying they know exactly what to do and they just want the opportunity to do it. The opposition say them know exactly what the people want and they know exactly what them can give it to the people. All them want is for the people them make them the government. And some people, we beyond even just considering the point. Some people say if elections were called tomorrow, they would be voting in the opposition. Tell me if you agree with that. Now, if you're new to the channel, so pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Like and share the video. Until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours is for you to live, for you to love, and for you to prosper, and also for you to stay tuned.